intended for you. We are calling you from the legal department to inform you that, due to some suspicious activities related to your name, we are trying to reach you, but unfortunately we missed your answer. In order to connect our legal department, press 1. So that we can discuss about your case file and take necessary action on this matter. In case we would not hear you.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Hello? Anyone there?
U.S. Office of Social Security Administration on the district.
All right. You say you what now?
It's Social Security Administration on the help you.
Okay, you all called me. So they said there was some.
Alright, so I'll call you.
Saying that.
Okay, you might be getting a call from my report.
Well, they said.
What's your name?
They said there was some suspicious activity on my account and I need to get it addressed.
Alright, so let me just try to pull up your information. Please help me out with your first and your last name.
Well, if you all called me, then my information should be in your computer.
First of all, sir, I told you that I haven't called you. The line has been transferred to me when you press 1. And right now you're talking to Officer Richard Clark from the Social Security Administration. Okay? So I just need to put your information so I proceed further. So help me out, your first and your last name.
Okay, what's your badge number? Every officer of Social Security should have a badge number.
Sure.
What's your badge number?
Sure, I can write it down. It's IRC 321619. My badge number.
Okay, I am a deputy for the federal, the FBI, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and I just ran your badge number and it does not register.
If the thing right there, so there's no problem. I'm free to hang up the call and wait for the consequences. Alright, I'm not going to make you believe. If you are more smart than the government, then you can fight this case inside the courthouse, sir.
Okay, did you understand what I just told you? I work for the.
I just told you.
Okay, I work for the.
It's not my problem, sir.
I know. I just want you to. I want you to understand, sir.
Sure.
I do work for the Federal Bureau of Investigations here in the United States, and I just ran your badge number, and it is not coming up as a registered badge number. So either you are.
It's impossible. It's impossible.
So either okay, hold on, let me finish. Either that is incorrect information you're giving me, or that does not exist. So
I'm not going to make you believe, so I'm picking up the call. Thank you. Over now.
Okay, you say
wait for the consequences right away.
Okay, so what do you...
hang up the call, sir, and
Okay, hold on. Don't hang up. I'm trying to find out what it is that you're calling me about. You're saying that something about the consequences. Consequences of what?
I'm not supposed to tell you.
You're not supposed to tell me.
Right.
Okay, then why are you threatening me with some type of consequence if you're not supposed to tell me what my consequence? I have a right to know what the consequences are, right? I do have that right to ask.
The way you're talking to me, it seems like you're more smarter than the government. You're trying to mislead the government right now about the correct call. So I'm not going to wasting my time on you. You're talking more on. Just simply could hang up the call right now and wait for the consequence. Thank you.